Ride along by barge, boat, or truck through any canal, waterway, or beachside community, and you will see and hear the stories of our Seawall leadership. The year a particular seawall was built, the yard that caved in, the name of a storm that left its mark and required their skill to repair. They're not just concrete men, not just watermen, and not just tradesmen. They're Gulf and Bay Seawall men, and you can hear a pride that comes from their years of experience. Averaging a decade or more of Seawall experience per team member, we are there when experience matters. At Gulf and Bay Marine, we are securing our shoreline and seawalls for the next generation. With our manpower, we can get to your project sooner than others. Give us a call. We would love to start a conversation and see how we can help.